CVBee AI is a game-changing software that just dropped, and today we're diving into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. If you're wondering whether CVBee AI is the right tool for you, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this tool can do and how it can level up your business or workflow. First off, CVBee AI is designed to revolutionize how we approach resumes and hiring. If you've ever had to go through a massive pile of resumes, you'll know it's not just time-consuming, it's exhausting. CVBee AI does all the heavy lifting by automating the resume review process, allowing you to quickly sort, evaluate, and even rank applicants based on skills, experience, and fit for your job postings. What makes CVBee AI stand out is its accuracy. This isn't just about keyword matching. It uses sophisticated AI to analyze not only the content of the resume, but the structure and context behind it. So if you're tired of manually sifting through irrelevant applicants or miss out on top talent due to simple human error, CVBee AI helps you overcome those limitations. Another thing worth noting is its speed. You can upload dozens or even hundreds of resumes at once, and the AI will sort through them in minutes, significantly cutting down the time spent on this essential yet often tedious task. This means you'll be able to make faster, more informed decisions without burning through valuable hours. The platform is also fully customizable. You can tweak the AI's criteria, adding specific keywords or filtering based on your exact needs. Whether you're looking for specific skill sets, years of experience, or educational backgrounds, this flexibility ensures that the tool is as precise and personalized as your hiring process demands. And let's talk about integration. CVBee AI works seamlessly with a range of popular HR platforms. So if you're already using tools like LinkedIn, Recruiter, or Workday, you don't need to worry about a complicated setup or data migration. It integrates effortlessly, so you can hit the ground running without any major disruption to your workflow. One major feature to highlight is the tool's predictive analysis. CVBee AI doesn't just help you find candidates, it helps you find the right candidates. Its predictive capabilities analyze historical hiring data to recommend applicants who have a higher likelihood of success in your company's specific environment. This is one of the features that could significantly reduce turnover and improve the quality of hires. But here's a kicker. CVBee AI is not just for big businesses or recruiters. Whether you're a small business owner or a solo entrepreneur, this software is incredibly accessible and easy to use. It levels the playing field, allowing businesses of any size to compete for top-tier talent without relying on a massive HR department. Now, if you're interested, you can try CVBee AI for free with the link below. No hidden fees, no commitments, just a free trial to see if this software can change the way you handle recruitment and hiring. And before I wrap up, I want to let you know that I've tried over 1,000 different AI software tools. And CVBee AI is one I highly recommend for anyone looking to streamline their hiring process and make smarter, faster decisions. You'll find my other recommended AI tools in the description as well, so make sure to check them out after this video. To summarize, CVBee AI is a powerful, fast, customizable, and intuitive tool that can help businesses of any size make better hires with less effort. It's designed to take the hassle out of reviewing resumes and give you more time to focus on what matters. Try it out for free today and see the difference it can make for you.